Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for the perfect screen protector for your new iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max? You might be interested in these products from FLOLAB. So this is my first experience with the brand. I've heard a lot of great things, but this is my first chance to check them out hands-on. So today in this video, I'm going to install a case-compatible screen protector on my iPhone 13 Pro Max and an edge-to-edge screen protector on my iPhone 13 Pro. Let's get started. So looking really quick at the features of these screen protectors, it's basically the same with both of them, except that one of them is going to be case compatible and the other one is edge to edge. Both of them are made of super tough aluminosilicate glass. They've got an antimicrobial coating, which is going to kill 99.99% of germs. They both come in an absolutely beautiful box, by the way. All silver and glistening, really nice packaging. As far as I can tell, the install kit looks fantastic. We've got a limited lifetime warranty. It's basically a replacement warranty. Sounds very similar to Zag's lifetime replacement warranty. Basically, the idea being that if it breaks, they will replace it for you, but you do have to pay shipping in order to get your replacement screen protector. Overall, everything looks really great here. So looking at the contents of the box, we really have fantastic packaging, really cute. They've really done a great job putting all this together. Very attractive arrangement. Inside of the really attractive packaging, we have what looks like a very excellent install kit. So we have a very cleverly packaged wet wipe for cleaning your screen, microfiber cloth for drying it. We have our install frame. Looks like it should work quite well. We have the screen protector itself. And then we have two different types of dust removal stickers. One big, beautiful, wonderful dust removal sticker, which is going to cover your entire phone's screen. I think that this is going to work really well. I don't know why more screen protector manufacturers don't include something like this. Really excited to use it. And then we have these little tiny auxiliary dust removal stickers. These are great if you happen to get a piece of dust that's stuck in between the screen protector and your screen. You can use it to fix your installation, or you can just use those to remove dust also. But with such a great big wonderful dust removal sticker, I doubt you're going to need to use these guys for very much dust removal at all. So to start off with, be sure to be working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. You're going to need to remove any cases or screen protectors that you might already have on your phone, and be sure to be working with clean hands. Next, open up your FLOLAB wet wipe and use it to clean your screen. Then use your lovely FLOLAB microfiber cloth to dry your screen. And next, one of the most exciting parts for me, you get to use the super exciting, absolutely enormous dust removal sticker. Next, you want to look at the installation tray. This is going to fit over your phone. Looks pretty standard. Should make this process quite easy. And then our screen protector itself. It's nicely packaged here in a little sleeve. Again, an attractive red color. I think they've done a really great job with product packaging for these. So next, remove your fantastic dust removal sticker. Your phone should now be perfectly clean. Next, take the installer and place it over your phone. Just fits right on. Next, you need to remove the screen protector from the hard plastic backplate that it's on. So you're just going to need to peel this back gently. Don't bend the screen protector because, of course, it's a glass screen protector. So peel it away. Hold on to the edges of the screen protector. Definitely don't touch the adhesive side with your fingers. And now you're going to place this down inside the install tray. So next, what you're going to want to do is remove your install tray and check out the results. Looking at the results of the installation, I'm overall extremely impressed, although it does look like we have a little bit less screen protector on this side than on that side. That often happens with installers. You get a little bit more on one side than the other side because there's always just a tiny bit of wiggle room, but it is straight. And that adhesive was fantastic. I mean, 0 bubbles, not even one tiny bubble needed to be rubbed out. That was incredibly impressive. Everything looks great here. This is clearly case compatible, as I mentioned before. Shouldn't have any trouble fitting this with, I would think, almost any case. And looking here, as I said, this is a super thin screen protector, 0.33 millimeters. Everything looks great here. Just a lovely screen protector. Lovely rounded edges here. Everything is just great. Moving on to the edge-to-edge NanoArmour 3 screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro. Again, we got the same absolutely adorable packaging. Not really sure how eco-friendly this is, but it's super attractive. Love the red color. We have exactly the same installation kit contents we were just looking at. So the same clever little wet wipe, same microfiber cloth, screen protector itself, installation frame, and 2 types of dust removal stickers. So we need to go through exactly the same cleaning procedures for the iPhone 13 Pro. So clean it with a wet wipe, dry it with a microfiber cloth, cover it up with world's best and largest dust removal sticker. The installation frame looks really similar to the one we were just using, obviously smaller because you're looking at a smaller phone, and this is sized a little bit differently because of course we're putting on an edge-to-edge screen protector. And then our screen protector, again on a lovely red backplate, looks really similar to the one we just put on, except for the fact that this is obviously edge-to-edge. You have a smaller notch cutout, and we have black edges. So now that your phone is super dust-free, you can remove the dust removal sticker and put on the installation frame, and then remove the screen protector from the rigid plastic backplate. Again, remember not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector. Just hold it by the sides and don't flex it a whole lot because of course it is a glass screen protector. Finally, take your screen protector and lay it down within the bounds of the installer. Once it's in place, you can lift off the install frame and remove any remaining bubbles. So looking at the results of the installation, I am really impressed. I think everything looks great. I did have a few bubbles that were remaining at the end of the install process. Had to rub those out. But other than that, you've got an absolutely fantastic alignment on this. Absolutely perfect edge-to-edge alignment. Super thin. You got the same 0.33 millimeter thickness on here. Same strong aluminosilicate glass. Beautiful rounded edges. And a really easy install process. I think the key is that fantastic dust removal sticker and all of that attractive red packaging. I do like the attractive red packaging. I think it looks great. But seriously, this is a really nice screen protector. Looks great, and the whole install process was quite outstanding. So as far as look and feel is concerned, everything is wonderful. We've got excellent optical clarity. This is a very responsive screen protector. There's no issues with haptic touch. Lovely thin screen protector. It has a wonderful feel underneath the fingertips, buttery smooth, and the oleophobic coating on here is somehow baked in so that it's not going to wear off, at least according to the folks at FLOLAB. It's got that antimicrobial component, which is excellent, and of course this is going to be great against scratching, although as far as impact is concerned, you're probably going to be better off with a polymer screen protector than a tempered glass screen protector because they do better with impact. But tempered glass screen protectors like this one are going to be much, much better against scratching, and they're also going to look and feel better. This is such a pleasure to touch, just wonderful, really, really nice. So we're going to have exactly the same performance as far as look and feel with both of these screen protectors. You got your case compatible one on the 13 Pro Max, and you got your edge-to-edge one on the iPhone 13 Pro. Your only difference is going to be how the screen protector is going to fit. So obviously these two screen protectors are extremely similar. You're looking at the same kind of install process, same look and feel, same materials, same performance. Really, what it comes down to is whether you want to have a case-compatible fit or an edge-to-edge fit. These are priced exactly the same, so that's definitely not a differentiator. Clearly, we have more space on the sides here with our case-compatible version as opposed to the edge-to-edge. So there's going to be some cases that aren't going to fit with the edge-to-edge that are going to fit with your case-compatible. However, I do think that a lot of cases are going to fit with your edge-to-edge as well. So let's look at these two screen protectors with some of the cases that I have lying around. So starting off with the Mous Limitless 4.0, got the aramid fiber version. So we have an excellent fit with both of these screen protectors, but when you look at the edge-to-edge version, you can see that it fits really edge-to-edge. Almost no unprotected screen here with the Mous Limitless 4.0. As opposed to the case-compatible version, you can see you do have that little rim around the edge, which is not covered, and a little bit more obvious cutout for the notch. Looking here at the RhinoShield SolidSuit case, one of my favorite cases. So the SolidSuit with our edge-to-edge FLOLAB NanoArmour 3 gives us basically an edge-to-edge fit. Great fit with the RhinoShield SolidSuit. And then if we look at the case-compatible version here on the SolidSuit, you can see we have quite a bit of unprotected space. Finally, looking at these screen protectors with a pair of CASETiFY Ultra Impact cases. Quite an outstanding fit with the edge-to-edge version. And then looking at the case-compatible version on our 13 Pro Max, it certainly fits fine. No issues there, but I would have to say it is a bit less attractive because it's pretty obvious that you're looking at a screen protector here as opposed to looking at it with an edge-to-edge screen protector. All in all, I've got to say I'm really impressed with the FLOLAB NanoArmour 3. Definitely lives up to the hype. So you got a great installer, great results. The screen protectors themselves are just lovely and they fit great with a variety of cases. You got antimicrobial protection, which is going to kill 99.99% of bacteria. And you're covered by FLOLAB's limited lifetime replacement warranty if your screen protector gets damaged. You do have to pay for shipping, but other than that, it's a pretty awesome deal. Lots to love here from FLOLAB. Again, we've been looking at the FLOLAB NanoArmour 3 screen protectors for iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. These products are both available directly from FLOLAB, and the edge-to-edge version and the case-compatible version are both priced the same at $24.95. If you're interested in purchasing a FLOLAB product, be sure to check out the description below for the FLOLAB affiliate discount code, especially for my viewers. Many thanks to the kind folks at FLOLAB for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and you might want to hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot of iPhone 13 series case and screen protector reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.